Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional YouTube outro using Capcut PC. Here you can see I have a video and I want to add a outro in this video. So select the finish line of your video, then go to media option. From here, go to library. Here you can see a search bar. Just click here for outro. After that, you can see multiple option, multiple outro template. Just click or select anyone to add in your video. I'm to use this one. Just drag and drop into the timeline and then play to see what happened. That's it. You can use any template from here to make a professional outro video for your YouTube video. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.